Hi and welcome to this introduction to Innform's social learning features. This includes discussions, highlights, and announcements. Social learning is a great way to create a culture of collaboration among learners and administrators. For example, with discussions, learners can form connections with one another and tap into a vibrant community of ongoing learning and development within an organization. Let's take a closer look at these social learning features. We'll start with Discuss. With Discuss, you can create discussions for all of your learners or ones that are specific to certain properties. You can also facilitate alumni discussions for a particular course and which a learner can join once they finish a particular training item. With the Innform Discuss feature, learners can initiate discussions, ask questions, share experiences, and provide valuable insights. Administrators can actively participate in discussions, guide learners, and facilitate meaningful interactions. With Innform, administrators have full control over discussions. They can monitor and moderate the content easily using the admin area. Now, let's take a closer look at the different types of discussions. We'll start with the General Discussion Board. The General Discussion Board allows learners and admins to come together to exchange ideas and ask questions. It's a central hub for communication and learning. Follow these simple steps to activate your own General Discussion Board. First, go to your account settings by logging into your Innform account and navigating to the Account Settings section from the top right area of your screen. Locate the General tab to access the settings related to the Discuss feature. Turn on the Discuss feature by setting it to Enabled. This will activate the discussion feature on your account. Once you've activated the Discuss feature, choose which type of discussion boards to activate. To enable the General Discussion Board, toggle the switch marked General Discussion. Now, as an admin, you can organize your General Discussion Board by setting up different discussion topics. This allows you to organize conversations and make it easier for learners to navigate and participate in relevant discussions. Now, let's take a look at another type of discussion board, the Property Discussion Board. A property discussion board is a space that enables learners and administrators of a specific property to engage in discussions, share insights, and exchange valuable information that is unique to that property. Here's how to set up your property discussion board. Navigate to the Discuss settings from your account settings. Find the Property Discussion Board's switch and turn it on. Once the property discussion board is activated, learners and admins within the specific property can start engaging in discussions. This feature allows learners of a property to share their experiences and provide each other with support that is tailored to the challenges and opportunities of their property. Now, let's take a look at the third type of discussion board, the Alumni Discussion Board. Alumni discussion boards are available to those learners who have completed a particular course. These boards serve as dedicated hubs where alumni of that course can connect and continue their professional growth within a course-specific community. To enable the alumni discussion boards, find the corresponding switch in the Discuss settings screen and select it. Now, navigate to the Create section within Innform, open up a course, and activate the alumni board for that particular course. Once the alumni discussion boards are activated for a particular course, learners who complete that course will automatically join its discussion board. This gives alumni a dedicated space to connect with peers who have completed the same course. Here's how it looks like for your learners. Learners simply need to log into their learning area and click on Discuss. If their permissions allow, learners can join discussions, comment on them, and start their own. Now we've looked at Discuss, let's take a look at Highlights. Highlights offer a way for admins to pin important training items to the top of their learners' learning area. To create a highlight, go to the Communicate section in the Innform admin area and click on the Highlights tab. Click on the plus sign or the New Highlight button. Give the highlight a title, a cover image, and then choose the category or training item you want to highlight. You can then choose whether you'd like to show this to all of your learners or to a specific property. Now click Create and activate the highlight. Here's what it will look like to a learner on the learning area. Finally, announcements. This social learning feature allows admins to send announcements or important news items to learners. To access announcements, go to the Communicate section from the admin area and click on the Announcements tab. This is your list of announcements. To create a new one, click on New Announcement. Give your announcement a title, insert the content, and then choose who should receive this announcement. You can send it to all your learners or to specific groups and properties or individual learners. You can send a copy of the announcement to the learner's email too. Once you're ready, click on Send Announcement. Learners will be notified of new announcements in their learning area. Here's what announcements look like to learners. Great! I hope you found this introduction to Innform's social learning features useful. If you have any questions on how to use discussion boards, highlights, or announcements, or ways your learners can benefit from social learning in general, please reach out to us in the Help section. One of our representatives will be delighted to chat with you and guide you further.